It is usually not necessary to wash or condition thick eyebrows. However, if you recently had an eyebrow pierced, follow the instructions the professional piercer gave you to keep the wound clean. This may involve routinely removing the barbell to clean it and thoroughly washing the brow to prevent infection. In addition, you may want to give thick eyebrows a quick rinse in the shower if you have been in a dusty, sandy, or otherwise dirty environment. Sometimes thick eyebrows can be bushy and shapeless. The use of a white eyebrow pencil, a stencil of your choice, and some tweezers can help define the brow. Once the stencil is applied, the eyebrow hair is brushed through it, then outlined with a pencil. The stencil is removed and everything outside the white outline is plucked away with the tweezers. Some people even outline the entire eyebrow to give it more definition after it has been shaped. Long and thick eyebrows can be trimmed to appear less unruly. A barber or hairstylist can usually do this for you and will have more knowledge about how short is too short. Trimming an eyebrow too short will result in the hairs not lying flat, giving it a fluffy or spiky appearance. This is usually not a look most people go for, so be cautious about trimming. Eyebrows grow faster than the hair on your head. Most people replace an eyebrow hair within 2 months unless it is plucked or waxed. They rarely have time to develop problems like split ends and dryness. The best thing you can do for your eyebrows is shape them however you desire, but to be careful of over plucking or shaping, as they may not grow back completely.